Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Have you ever felt like no matter how much you earn, it is never enough? No matter how busy you are, nothing feels productive? Time passes, but peace is missing. This is not always poverty. This is lack of barakah. Barakah is not about having more. Barakah is about Allah putting goodness in what you already have. And today many of us are asking quietly, why is barakah missing from our lives? One of the first reasons is forgetting Allah in daily life. We wake up without His remembrance. We eat without saying Bismillah. We begin our work without intention. When Allah is removed from the beginning, barakah is removed from the result. Another reason is neglecting salah. Salah is not just prayer, it is a connection. When salah is delayed, rushed, or abandoned, the heart becomes empty. And an empty heart cannot hold barakah. Another reason is haram entering our lives. Haram income, haram habits, haram eyes. The Prophet taught us that Allah is pure and accepts only what is pure. When haram enters, barakah quietly leaves. Another reason is constant complaining. We compare our lives to others. We focus on what we lack instead of what we have. Gratitude attracts barakah. Complaints push it away. Many people have little, yet live peacefully. Others have everything and yet live restlessly. That is the difference barakah makes. Another reason is cutting ties. Broken family relationships, harsh words, pride. The Prophet warned that cutting family ties cuts blessings from life. And finally, one of the biggest reasons is living only for the dunya. When akhirah is forgotten, dunya loses its sweetness. Barakah is not missing because Allah stopped giving. Barakah is missing because we stopped returning to Him. The solution is not complicated. Return to Allah, begin with Bismillah. Guard your salah, choose halal, be grateful. Repair relationships, even little will become enough. Even time will feel expanded. Even hardship will feel lighter. Because when Allah puts barakah in your life, peace enters before success. If this reminder touched your heart, share it with someone who feels the same emptiness. And subscribe to Faith Whisper for reminders that bring hearts back to Allah. May Allah place barakah in our time, our homes, and our lives. Ameen.